Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to stop App Store asking for your Apple ID password repeatedly for iOS 18. Now, Apple Store always asks for our password whenever we buy or whenever we download something in your Play Store or your App Store, right? So I'm going to teach you how to remove that one. The first thing you want to do right now is go to Settings, and right here, look for the one that says Screen Time. Should be this one right here. Sorry about that. All right, perfect. So with this one, I want you to click on change your password. As you can see right here, change your screen time passcode. And for this one, click on turn off screen time passcode. Once that's done, I want you to go back here and go to your main account right there. Go for media and purchases. And basically for this one, I want you to view account right there. In here, you're going to have an option that says require a passcode. Should be around here somewhere. So the previous version should be around here, just below personalized recommendations. So if you can see right there, just turn it off and you'll be good to go. And now after that one, I want you to go back on screen time, the one from earlier. And from here, I want you to go to content and privacy restrictions. Just basically this one, turn this on right there. Let me just put in my passcode real quickly. Go to iPhone and iTunes and basically click on don't require. Or basically turn it off and you'll be good to go. Okay? Another way here also, if the problem still persists, I still have some more ways for you, so please stay until the end of the video. Now lastly, I want you to go back on the settings, look for Face ID and passcode. Let me just enter my passcode right there very quickly. Give me a second here. Alright, now we're back. I want you to remove this one. iTunes and App Store, just turn it off and you'll be good to go. Now moving forward, whenever you download an app right now on your App Store, your Apple Store will not require for your passcode anymore. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.